Hello and welcome to my pizzeria. What would you like to order? Can I have a large pepperoni pizza? Sorry, we do not sell pizza here. Can I have a candy cane? We'll be right up, sir. What would you like to drink, guys? Can I have a large Coca-Cola? What would you like to drink, sir? Can I have a little Coke? Okay, coming right up, sir. For right now, listen to this classical music. Hey, Kevin, what are you doing this summer? I don't know. Here's your large soda and your candy cane, sir. Oh, thank you. You can set it right here on the table. Okay, sir. Right now. Oh, this looks yummy. It's a large candy cane and some flour sweet. Are you kidding me? This candy cane is cold. What's wrong with you? Ah! 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 You're going through this table. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! You're going through more tables. Ah! Ah! This is yummy salad.